Guys, so this is the next day, the first day for the soup. You see how can I put the light? Where's the light here? Look how thick the soup is. You remember I was telling you, not clock. You remember I was telling you. You remember I was telling you how this soup gonna be thick. So you see the next day is very thick. So I'm gonna take some, because you see how thick it is now. And I told you, look at how thick it is. And I make it very liquid. If I didn't make it very liquid today, it will not be a soup. It will be like, I don't know, a porridge something. But yeah, I'm gonna take some. We're gonna warm it. That's exactly how I want it. The soup that it is. The soup that it is, not a porridge. So that's why I took my time to make my soup the way that I love it. Ooh, I can feel it. While waiting, I'm gonna show you something that you can do. If you have children who has worm or you have worm, you need to take the seed of the papaya and eat it for 7 days. It will remove parasite in your body. So that's what I do. You see, the seed of papaya is very, very precious. Seed, there's power in seed. A lot of times we don't understand that the food, things that we throw away in our vegetables and fruit are the most nutrient one that has the most vitamin. So yeah, I love anything that is natural, and as you can see, I'm a natural lady with my natural hair. So I nourish my body natural. So this is a famous Soup Joumou. In Haitian culture we call it, oh, it's hot, it's too high, we call it Soup Joumou. That's the papaya seed. I'm gonna keep it and eat it because I wanna do a detox. So I'm gonna eat that for 7 days without eating anything for like 5 or 4 hours, and drink a lot of water to do a detox. Right, I'm gonna put it in the fridge. So we're gonna try our Haitian pumpkin soup. Oh mon Dieu, c'est